One tablespoon clarified butter. 2 tablespoons wheat flour. 1/4 cup wheat porridge. Roast on low flame for 5 to 6 minutes. Milk. Cook on medium flame until half. One teaspoon lemon juice. 2 tablespoons chocolate powder. Mix well. 1/2 cup sugar. 1 tablespoon clarified butter. Cook on medium flame until it's separate from the pan. 2 tablespoons desiccated coconut. 1/2 teaspoon green cardamom powder. Grease the pan and spread butter paper. Two tablespoons chopped almonds. Rest for 2 hours.